Hello dear students, today in this video lesson we will learn about the components of food. In previous video we have studied about the sources of food, how we are getting the food, and in this chapter we will learn about what are the parts through which this food is made from, out of which this food is made from. So we will know about how food is made from, and we are going to learn about that. So what are the components of food? As we know, the things we eat in our daily life to provide energy to our body is called food. So food is required for growth, repair and functioning of the body. So for example, in northern part of India, chapatis, dal, vegetables like cabbage, brinjal, potato, ladyfinger, etc. are eaten. This is due to the particular food available in that area. Other items like fermented food is also taken as food. For example, curd, idli, dosa, chicken, fish are also eaten. So they are also eaten there. So components of food include carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. These are the basic components through which made food is made. So food should contain components which provide nourishment to our body, which is responsible for growth and development of body. These components are called as nutrients. So food is made from nutrients which are of carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin and minerals. So food should contain all these components so that our body can grow well and develop well. All living organisms require food, and plant synthesizes food, and all animals take these food products made by plants. So food have four components: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. So carbohydrates are energy giving nutrients. So carbohydrates is the class of food that provides most of the energy we need every day to work and play. So good sources of carbohydrate are sugar, cereals such as maize, sorghum, rice, millet also. So here are few examples of carbohydrates out of which we can get the carbohydrate. These are rice, sorghum, wheat, maize, yam, cassava, cocoyam, banana, bread, sweet potato, sugar. These are the things through which we can get the carbohydrates. Next one we have proteins. These are the building nutrients. So they are helpful for your growth of your body. So various sources are here. Plant sources, as we know, plant also provide food. So plant sources here: spinach and avocado, broccoli, lentils, almonds, oats, and peas and beans also, walnut. These are the sources of protein from plants, and other sources which are milk, chicken, eggs, salmon, prawn, shrimps. These are the sources of animals through which we can get the protein. So proteins are essential for our body growth because they are the building nutrient which build the body. Next one is fat. So fatty substances which we get from plants like avocado, mustard, olive, sunflower seeds, coconut, and soybeans, almonds, peanuts, walnuts, etc. And from animal sources we have animal fats like chicken, from mutton, and like goats can get the meat from goats, fishes. So these are the various sources of fats from animal. So vitamins protects body from diseases, minerals needed for growth and maintenance. So vitamin improves our immunity, which protects ultimately us from disease. So sources there are several vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, and we will learn in detail in later video lessons about these. So these are mainly protects the body from diseases. So next one we have these things, and these are the various components of food. And what are the components you have learned in this? So we have discussed about today about the components which are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, and we have learned about this how they work like. for our growth and development. So I hope you have learned much more from this video, and we will study later in detail about these in next video. Thank you.